Hi Felters and welcome. Today's video is a little bit of a big one for me. My channel has amazingly, thanks to you guys, reached 50,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. It's just a small needle felting channel and it's got to where it is. Basically because you guys watch this, you subscribe, you give me a thumbs up, you leave me comments, give me suggestions. You might be watching at home, at work, wherever you're watching from. Thank you so much for getting this channel to where it is. I am so grateful. And with that in mind, I'm going to do a £50 giveaway. In order to enter, you need to ask me a question. I'm going to do a questions and answers video after this one and then draw out the winner. So you have 48 hours from today's date, which is the 8th of February, to put a question in the comments below this video, and you must be subscribed as well. You can ask me anything about felting, about business, about personal life, how I combine the two, anything you want. So put the questions down, and I'm also going to be running it on Instagram, so you can enter again over on Instagram if you want to, and everything's going to be put into an automatic generator, and the winner is going to win £50 worth of goodies from my shop or my online courses. So I have got PDFs, I've got online courses, I've got kits, I've got a jumper, I've got cards, notepads. You could even keep the £50 gift voucher because I've got a couple of really good courses coming out. I'm doing a hair course, 2 different ways to do hair coats and stuff like that. And fingers crossed, I'm going to do my horse course within the next 3 or 4 months. Fingers crossed. Please ignore the state of this room. It's going to be redecorated. So I just had to get this video out there to say a huge, massive thank you to you guys for being here. So put your question in the comments below and subscribe. And pop over to Instagram and enter there as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care and see you again soon.